We've turned up at the stunning Wilsons Promontory. Squeaky Beach is over to the right hand side. We've got Skull Rock in the background. Snake Island over to the right, just here. We're at the world famous Squeaky Beach and going in for a look. We're going to walk up to the Tidal River end, looking for a low-lying prostrate Grevillea. I'm just trying to get a couple of photos of the granite boulders here and the beautiful Squeaky Beach. I'll try and get Skull Island in the background there too. Spooky! Used to love playing in here as a kid. A few straight-handers out in the surf today, not much of a bank. Now we're going to head up the Tidal River end of the beach looking for this prostrate Grevillea. Now what makes this beach so famous is the sand is made up of fine particles of quartz. Now it makes this squeaking sound as you walk. This is because that sand compresses under your feet as you put pressure on it. Very iconic to Squeaky Beach. Look at this wave coming through. See that petty spurge? It's a species of euphorbia that's just taken over down here on the foreshore. Real nasty weed, this one. Look at it. Spreads like bloody wildfire. It's really gone rampant here. It's tending to squeak a lot more now I've taken me thongs off. Brings back memories of being a kid running amok down here. When I first stood up on a surfboard at this beach. Had an old foamy out there. Must have been about, I don't know, 6, 8 years old. Have a look at the Leucophyta brownie eye. This is the salt-loving bush that grows all along down here on the foreshore, and up above it we've got a Banksia integrifolia. That's all the species here have been really windblown, so it's sort of laying down. It's been hammered by the southerly winds. Flowering really well at the moment. Have a look. It's little golden yellow flower cones. Shit, I thought there was a snake underneath me. And here it is, the Grevillea I've come to see at Squeaky Beach, Wilsons Promontory. Grevillea lanigera. Not in flower at the moment, but has these beautiful little, like, almost like a crunched up fist type of beautiful little pink flower when it's in bloom. Usually flowers springtime, but as you can see here, it's got a nice compact shape. I think some of the local wallabies and whatnot have been chewing on it. But yeah, there it is on the Tidal River end of Squeaky Beach. Everything's very dry. Look at the views we've got out here. Here's some more Grevillea lanigera in amongst the beard heath and Coria alba. Be nice to see it when it's in flower. Some nice banks here up the back. Tea tree. This little, it's like a little prostrate form of leptospermum here. Another little tea tree. Look at that, out with nature, just watching the surf roll in down here at beautiful Squeaky Beach. Coria alba in flower at the moment. There's beautiful little white star-shaped flowers here. Got some leucophyta, some beard heath. This is a mustard plant brought over to Australia by European settlers. And now it's sort of localised itself like the carcella, some of the carcella, the pig face. But apparently you can use this in your cooking. But very mustardy. I've noticed a lot of the European bees are really enjoying the flowers at the moment. Here's a nice form of Coria reflexa. Everything's as dry as anything at the moment, but this one has really nice furry leaves. In spring it has a lovely large pinkish red bell on there. It's another beautiful species down here at Wilsons Prom. Just approaching Tidal River. Up here to my right we've got big Mount Oberon. Norman Bay. In front of me here we've got little Mount Oberon and big Mount Oberon up there. It used to kill me as a kid walking up the top of that thing. But yeah, the ocean's a little bit calmer here than Squeaky Beach. Look at that pristine water out there. And then we've got the beautiful little river that comes in here. The old seagull's taking a dip. Just walking up along the Tidal River, and we've got the iconic whale rock just in front of me here. There used to be a bridge that used to just run across here, but I can't see it there at the moment. I don't know what's happened to it. Just check out this Xanthera australis, the Australian grass tree. Pretty old, this one. Beautiful flower spike. Up there, as you can see. Look at the big old trunk. That's our trip to the prom coming to an end. We'll be back here again next time. Cheers.